Okay, so we've just had a pretty good overview on website design. Are there any other questions with regard to web design?
Mike, I'm actually looking to build a website, and when I was researching, I keep coming across responsive design, and I really didn't understand what it meant. So if you can explain, I would love that.
Beautiful question, Uma. Responsive design is catching on very much, and you see it a lot in public relations and talk about web. In a nutshell, what responsive is a site that adjusts according to the screen size. Now, as you see here, we have illustrated a Mac, a PC, we have a tablet computer, and a mobile device, a cell phone. Now, even though I've specified these different operating systems, Mac and PC, so forth, that is irrelevant of responsive design, but the screen size is very relevant. So what you can do with a responsive design is take a website and look at it on this mobile device, or look at it on the desktop, and it's going to come across exactly the same. No words will be dropping down to the next line or anything. One of the core principles that's responsible for responsive design, no pun intended, is a concept that's been introduced called the fluid grid. Let's just talk about that, and that's with regard to the width alone. So what fluid grid does is in the design process, and with respect to the positioning of content on a page, let's assume everything is centered. With the traditional approach, the width would be a fixed 300 pixels, 600 pixels, 960 pixels, or whatever was defined by the designer, the developer. With the fluid grid approach, again, with the center being the core, the relationship is proportional. So fluid grid or liquid layout has the content float proportionally according to the detected size of a screen. So thus, a responsive design, a responsive approach is a little bit more dynamic than the traditional fixed approach, and it's a one-size-fits-all. You develop one time, and it fits any size, screen size that you want to display on.